Julie， 幫我打電話。
與香港同步，
你將會成為下一個被殺嘅目標，兇手就喺你後面。
手機信息發出奪命提示，神秘信息情報科全員出動，佢哋能否偵破離奇命案？死亡信息究竟來自未來，定來自不為人知嘅神秘力量？奪命提示與香港同步播出，星期一至五晚8點半 ，Astro AOD 與 Astro Go。
Ryan Gosling, multi-talented and hero of many.
That's just my middle name.
He's always ready to save the world.
We're planning on that flight being successful.
Take you on the greatest adventures.
I was being drawn to you.
Adore you. Hi, Ken. And be your boyfriend 24/7.
Just roll with it, tiny baby.
Ryan Gosling. He'll sweep you off your feet. Stream him anytime, anywhere you like. Up to 4 devices easily.
你们将会迎接一场交易大会，赚最多钱的才是优胜者。
翡翠项链只需要2万5。
是不要消费冲动，我跟谁采购是我的决定啊，不需要你帮我决定。
名牌鞋子买2双送1双，
买掉买掉。为什么做生意一定要降价呢？如果看得到还不买最便宜的，那你就是傻瓜加笨蛋。
创业特种部队，星期六晚上8点半 ，Astro AEC 及 Astro Go。